Think superheroes are just in comics? Nature's got some wild powers you've never seen. Alright, let's dive in. First up, meet the pistol shrimp. This tiny ocean brawler can snap its claws so fast it creates a shockwave hotter than the sun. That's right, this little guy literally blasts its prey with boiling bubbles. Superpower. Next, the axolotl. This adorable salamander can regrow almost anything, legs, tail, even parts of its brain. Imagine losing a limb and just growing it back. What? And finally, the horned lizard. When threatened, it shoots blood from its eyes. Not kidding, this freaky defense move shocks predators and honestly, us too. Insane. So which animal superpower would you want? Laser claws, regeneration, or epic blood blast? Drop your answer below and hit subscribe for more wild wisdom.